Hey, checking in. It's day 5, and a lot has transpired in the last 24 hours. Or maybe it's more like 34. Anyway, I haven't checked in because I lost cell service. Pretty much never had cell service. I guess I lost cell power. My phone lost power. Probably, yeah, I was saving it for the a call when I got to Neil's Gap, and that's where I ended. Nemo was beginning stages of hypothermia, and just a compilations of other things when you deal with Mama Nature. So anyway, I'm resuming the last leg. We're doing 7 miles. I had some folks join me, Chip and his girlfriend Valerie. So it's gonna be us 3 on the last leg. We got 7 miles today. Currently we are on the approach trail, and yeah, you can see there's snow. Maybe a couple inches they got. We are on the approach trail approaching Brasstown Bald. So I'm gonna check back in with you then. Should have some awesome views, and then we're gonna finish the last 4 miles over to so 2 miles up, and then 5 miles over to my dad's and Mama Marie's. But I'll check with you on the top of Brasstown Bald. How about that? Adios.